the center and radius of each, then sketch the graph. So we need to be able to find the center and the radius. To be able to do this, this is not written in standard form. Remember that standard form is x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared equals r squared. It's not written like that, so we need to make it written like that. So we're going to take the equation that we have, and we're going to rearrange it. So what you need to do is you need to make all the variables go on one side, like these guys have variables with them, letters with them, and all the numbers go on the other side. So I'm going to subtract the 24 over to this side. I'm going to add the y squared, the y squared over here, and I'm going to add the 8y over to here. This way, this guy cancels out, this guy cancels out, this guy cancels out. So we have all the variables on this side of the equal sign, numbers on this side of the equal sign. So here's what we end up with. If we read this in order, we would have 6x plus x squared plus y squared plus 8y equals negative 24. So we're going to rewrite this again to make it a little bit easier on ourselves. So you're always going to put x squared, the other one with x, this is a positive 6x, plus a blank, plus the y squared, the variable that has a single y, plus blank. Let me make sure I got enough room here. Equals the number plus 2 blanks. Okay? It's always going to look like this. X squared plus something x plus a blank, plus y squared plus something y plus a blank, equals a number plus blank plus blank. Okay? Alright, after this, it's always going to turn into standard form. Equals and a number. So we need to fill this in. Half of 6 is 3. If this guy is a plus sign, this guy's going to be a plus sign. This guy's a plus sign, so this one's going to be a plus sign. Half of 8 is 4. 3 squared is 9. And 4 squared is 16. Okay? And then you need to add all these guys together. Negative 24 plus 9 plus 16 equals 1. Okay? So that makes our center at negative 3, negative 4. And our radius is going to be the square root of 1, which happens to be 1. And then you can graph. So our center is at negative 1, 2, 3, negative 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure we're graphing x and then y. And then my radius is 1. So from my center, I'm going to go up 1. I'm going to go down 1. Left 1. Right 1. And draw in my circle. Okay? So, variables on one side, numbers on the other. Write it long ways out with your blanks. Divide the middle numbers, and then square those numbers.